An old giraffe is the latest victim. Misfortune for some means opportunity for others. These red-billed oxpeckers are not actually after the carcass. Rather, what's on the carcass? Ticks. Ticks feed on the blood of mammals, and this giraffe was the host for hundreds of the blood-sucking parasites, even on the giraffe's eyelashes. The oxpeckers will eat up to 100 ticks each in a sitting. Riding the thermals above, scavengers. White-backed vultures are attracted by the scent of the carcass. These are the cleanup crew. They pierce through the hide and make quick work of the organs. Their stomach acid is highly corrosive. It allows them to safely digest putrid flesh, however old, including all the dangerous bacteria growing in it as it decomposes.